Hi guys! Welcome back to Anika Fan TV. Today, we got our origami paper craft instructions.
Origami is a paper craft originated from Japan. It's the art of folding papers.
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Yeah.
Let's do the ostrich.
What are you gonna do with the ostrich? First, here, fold along. Okay. I guess we're gonna fold it here. We're gonna fold it here.
Okay, let me fold it for you. So this one needs to be
Straight.
Do you have a ruler, Anika?
But
So you can guide it. Oh, the popsicle stick.
and we will be back. The popsicle stick. I love ice cream.
Okay, I have the popsicle stick here.
Here you go. The other. Well, there you go. Yay! Oh, let's see. Oh,
There you go.
wow! It's an ostrich! So cool, so
So this is an ostrich.
yes.
Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. I'm an ostrich. Wait, what's the sound of an ostrich?
No, next is the woodpecker. That's a bird on pecks and wood like this.
So a woodpecker picked a peck of pickled pepper.
What this number is this? 16. Okay, it's 10. Okay, 16. I want to play with the ostrich. Ostrich, ostrich, quack, quack, quack. Chicken, pen to play to pick. Pick, pick, pick.
is the wood, and then it goes to a tree. It's gonna pick it.
Look, you can pick. Okay, so busy. I want this one. The frog. It's number 26. See? 2 frogs. A frog.
Origami.
Frog.
Is the frog.
Frog. Cut.
Oh, so we need to cut this.
I want the green one.
There are 2 frogs.
I want to cut the
Okay.
green frog. And then what? How? No. How can you do it?
And then
Like that? Like this?
fold this.
Then fold this. But how? Yay! Jumping frog. But how can you do that? Stuck in nuts or something?
You need to fold this.
2 frogs in a fish. Thank you for watching my video. Hit like and subscribe. Bye!